Merry Christmas, guys! It is day 25 of this wrapping series, and again, I'm just going to use up as much of the supplies as I have to finish this last one off. So I'm going to use the last of those large snowflakes, and then you see a bunch of snowflakes over there to the left that I'm going to use as layering pieces. I'm going to attach this guy with some twine, and this time I'm going to be using a gold and white baker's twine. I'm going to wrap that around a couple of times to hold that snowflake in place. Once I get that in place, I'm going to work on my tag, and I put a couple of things aside at the beginning of the month that I knew that I wanted to use on this last day, and one of them is that star that you see right there. I cut that out of Tim Holtz paper, and I really liked that you could see Frosty the Snowman in the background, kind of in like a newspaper style, and then that December 25th journaling tag, our journaling card, that's just huge. And then you can see there's that round tag right there that says do not open until December 25th. That's actually from a Target gift tag set from last year. They came in a set, I think, of 25, but I have a ton of them, and so I've been wanting to use them. But of course it's perfect because it's for day 25. So now what I'm going to do is just start layering and layering and layering. So I have a bunch of these snowflakes that I've punched out with my snowflake punch and a bunch of different papers. So you see I've got a glitter one there, I've got some book pages there, and I'm just going to start layering them up all around the tag. And of course this tag wouldn't be complete without some of those hat puffy stickers. You guys know how I love to use those to kind of put a hat on my days or on some sort of focal point that's on my card. So I had to do this on the last day as well. I'm going to use the baker's twine that came with that circle tag to just attach both of them together. So I'm going to remove it and then reattach it to both of the tags at the same time. And that is pretty much it. I am going to tuck this right underneath that baker's twine along with a little mini bottle brush tree, and that is going to complete this project. I hope you guys have enjoyed the series.